Aloha. So basically today we're going to talk about legibility, and as a web designer we have to make type more legible. So it's important to choose the font. So font selection is important here. It can make it more easy for reader to read article or to read text. So right here you can see um, there's a you can see the characters right here. So here what I would like to say is when we read text, so we read shapes right here, the shapes, the outside of words, and out because the reason we can recognize a word read shape because we can recognize these shapes, and then the strokes is right here. These strokes over space make it more legible. So next will be for creating legibility. So that'll be open space and healthy strokes. So here's examples right here. Um, so we can see this article. So this one basically is not really good example, but it tries to show you that um, the font they choose, it shows that the space is really small, really tiny, and the strokes right here, it's kind of stick together. So it's making more hard for people to read article and get frustrated. And it's just like a photocopy, as bad as that. So next I'll talk about the what creates legibility. That'll be the generous X high. So you can see there are two examples right here. This one's Verdana at the 14 size, and this one's Time News Roman. So those two fonts are the same size. The different the big difference is because the height. So you can see the X right here. It's higher than this one, and the G right here is the same. So that's the difference between the font. So it's important to choose the right font, especially for people to read a long article. So next one we talk about open apertures. So here it's apertures, and we can see the space. This one is bigger than this one, and the E right here is bigger than this one too. So we can note that um, so open aperture is one one reason or one critical point to make it legible. So next we'll talk about the ascenders and descenders. So right here we can see that the top or the bottom, this one is called ascenders and this one called descenders. So right you can see the ascenders right here is higher than this one, and then descenders is kind of different right here. So um, I think that Verdana does a good job because you make it balanced, so you make it more easier for people to read. And this one talk about serif and then sans serif. So this one is serif and this one is sans serif. So what is serif? Serif is right the is a tip markets on the top. It's right here. It's a sans serif, and this one there's nothing right there, so you can call sans serif. So someone said that the serif font it's easier for people to recognize the character and they can spend more time on it. But personally, I think this one is more making more legible than this one. But you can try different fonts and try and then to see what happens, which one looks good, and then you can choose that one. And next one we'll talk about Jones X high to make it legible. So you can see right here, it's a two example. This one is Verdana and this one is Thai News Roman. So it's the same size. The biggest difference is the size space right here. So you can see I mark it, or I use the pen to mark it. It's orange right here. So you can see the orange is this space is bigger than this one. So that's how you make it more legible for people to read, make it um, easier for people to read. So just a couple of things needs to remind. So make it more legible, we have to have healthy strokes, open open space, and enough X high, and have it lots have apertures and centers and decenters and serif and then serif. So we need to con consider those things and to make it more easier or more friendly for people to read the article. So thank you.